Hey everybody, Jim Dufault here with NuCalgon. All right, today, real quick, A2Ls. So I want to talk about our A2L compliant products. This is just a few of them. These are the ones I get asked about the most, so I thought I'd go over them really quick. So we're talking about RX11 Flush, Easy Seal Ultimate, and our Easy Dye, and then finally our Acid Scavenger. All right. RX11 Flush. This is the industry standard. This is the flush by which all other flushes on the market compare themselves to. It's been around a long time. This is a proven solvent. And when it comes to burnouts or just regular changeouts, now I do hear that a lot, is it just for use with a burnout? Absolutely not. If you're changing out a system, regardless of the refrigerant, regardless of the oil, you want to use RX11 Flush. Because let's face it, you have absolutely no idea what's in that line set. So why take the risk? Particularly if there hasn't been a burnout, right? So you don't know what's in that system. RX11 is perfect because it will break down carbon and oil and acid and moisture. It will emulsify it, liquefy it, so that it's easily pushed out of the system with nitrogen. Once you button that system up and you go ahead and you draw your vacuum, this will immediately begin to boil off. This is an absolutely fantastic product. So, and because it's an all system, or it's a system flush, you can use this even on an evaporator coil to get that all flushed out as well. So again, no residue left behind whatsoever. This is non-flammable, it is non-toxic, and again leaves no residue in the system whatsoever. We have it in our 1 and 2 pound cans, which is typically what you'll see in a wholesale distributor. But just in case you didn't know, we also make it in a 13 and a 26 pound tank. When you have those larger jobs, or you have a big commercial system and a long line set that you need to flush out, or you're doing an apartment complex, you may want to use one of our tanks. Obviously you'll see it in a wholesale distributor in our 1 and our 2 pound starter kits, which is available to you. And then finally, of course, we also do have it in our liquid, which is available to you as well. All right, Easy Seal, again, another industry standard for leak sealants that are out there. Again, HFO and A2L compatibility testing has been done to ANSI, or the ANSI, and ASHRAE standards of testing that were used with this. So we tested it with R32, R454B, and R449A. This is all obviously ready to go, A2L compliant. So whether you've got a system that you've got a leak and you want to use dye to find that leak and seal it, or you just need a leak sealant, we've got the Easy Dye Ultimate without the dye. And of course, if you are looking for a dye but you don't want a sealant, we highly recommend our Easy Dye. Again, all three of these are ready to go and A2L compliant. And then finally, Acid Scavenger. Now you may not have heard a lot about Acid Scavenger, and that's predominantly because this is used in commercial type applications where they are testing for acid. And again, acid, you get acid in a system if there's moisture present in the system. And again, we tested this using the ANSI, or the ANSI and ASHRAE standards of testing with 454B and POE oil with moisture in it. And Acid Scavenger performed beautifully, prevents acid by 3 times compared to having no Acid Scavenger in the system. And of course, this is perfect for that brand new system. Before you even get it up and running, you can obviously you can use the liquid and just pour that directly into the compressor itself, or if the system is already buttoned up and running, you can inject it into the system using our dryer. This is our Connect Inject system, or you can use the liquid in our universal treatment injector and get it into that system that way. And this will go ahead and then help neutralize any acid that's present in that system. So, all right, so RX11, Easy Seal, Easy Dye, and our Acid Scavenger, all A2L compliant. I've got 3 of the flyers up here. Of course, if you got this video from me in an email, you got PDFs of all 3 of those flyers. So if you would like copies of these, you can obviously reach out to us at info@NuCalgon.com. Just say, hey, we want your A2L flyers. We'll get those emailed back to you. And of course, if you want to find out more information about NuCalgon and all of our products that are A2L compliant and ready to go, you can visit us at www.NuCalgon.com. All right, that's it. I'm Jim Dufault. Thanks for watching.